Alright everyone, so we decided to do a little bit of supplementary videos just to show when you've got the rear ramp van instead of the rear lift. Same basic idea to start off with. It's obviously going to be in park. You're going to put the parking brake on and then make sure you unlock the back doors. Once you do that and open the back doors, the ramp can be operated. So we're at the back of the van now. We've got the doors open. With the lowering the kneeling system, there's going to be a button up on the pillar. So you find that just inside the door, right around the height of the back light. You're going to hold that. Just make sure it's clear around. You're going to hold that on till you hear it bottom out, and that's as low as it's going to go. So now we've got it lowered. You've got your seatbelt clips on the actual ramp. You're going to undo both of those. Hold on to the handles. Gently lower that to the ground. And at this point you're ready to load or unload your wheelchairs. So now, finish loading or unloading. Just going to show you how to put the ramp back in and how to raise it. So you're going to grab it here. You don't have to lift up super high. You start to do it. It is assisted with the hydraulic cylinders. Make sure those clip into place. Once that's secure, I'm going to take the door. As soon as I shut it, it's going to release the kneeling system and raise the van up. So now it's at full height. You can shut the other door, and we're good to go.